this jackfruit has kind of a gum which is very sticky. So all you need to do is apply oil to your hands, apply the oil to the knife also. Cut the jackfruit in the center. Be very careful. When you cut this jackfruit, there's a lot of liquidy like thing, white thing will start coming out, and all you need to do is take a newspaper, scrape it off. You will be able to use the seeds, everything. So we're going to remove the outer layer, the skin, and then we're going to use to make many recipes with this. All you need to do is take a knife, remove off this crocodile like skin. Once you have removed the skin, cut them into slightly bigger pieces. Usually a lot of people prefer more tender ones, but I love these kind of nuts. When it is done, you will enjoy these nuts thoroughly. Cut these into small pieces like this, and you can make curries, you can make pakodas, biryanis, and anything you want. Take a bowl of water and add these to the water. And a lot of people, what they do is they add a little bit of buttermilk or a little bit of salt to this. We're going to boil this after a while. You can put these pieces into hot boiling water, or even you can put in a pressure cooker just for one whistle, and this will become nice and soft. Add a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick on the sides of the vessel. You can drain out this jackfruit, and you can see how this is nicely cooked, and even the seeds of the jackfruit, they will look like little badam. After boiling the jackfruit, and we have separated the meat along with the seeds. So these nuts, very very tasty, especially they cook it with mutton and all that, and in the curries you can put, and for fried rice and all that you can put both. Now the shredded jackfruit looks like shredded chicken, and this will be very tasty. You can convert this into nice pakodas, curries, like poriyals, and also pulaos and biryanis. For making this jackfruit pulao, we're going to add some oil in the pan, and in this add onions and also add some jackfruit seeds. This will be very good. Instead of adding any other green peas and all that, we're just going to add a little bit of salt, cook the onions till they're slightly colored. In this, we can add a little bit of turmeric to give better flavor. We're going to add some mint leaf and also some green chilli. Add a little bit of ginger garlic paste. We're going to add some yogurt. 1 or 2 teaspoons of yogurt should be good enough. In this, we're going to add chilli powder, some coriander powder, half spoon of cumin powder, and half spoon of garam masala powder. Now this is ready to turn into beautiful pulao. Here is the nice jackfruit which I have half boiled and shredded it into slices. Add a little more salt, mix all this. Now you can see this is looking like shredded chicken and also smelling super great. We're going to add nice fluffy rice, a little bit of lemon juice, add some saffron water, some coriander leaf, put some brown onion, put the lid on, put it on a slow flame for around 4-5 minutes and switch off the flame. The biryani, the pulao, whatever you call it, is ready. You will see this jackfruit slightly fried. So that is one, you will get this nice effect. Now look at this with those seeds and all this, super fantastic. This is better than any vegetarian biryanis and pulaus because this will actually taste super good. Now look at those pieces. This, isn't it looking wonderful? Here is my wonderful jackfruit biryani. Look at this awesome biryani. Full concentration of the flavors. Very easy to make awesome biryanis and pulaus. Especially this jackfruit has got a special effect. And the next recipe what is going to follow this is the pakoda. Don't miss that. And we're going to use the same shredded jackfruit in this. You can also add some onion if you want, a little bit of ajwain. Ajwain will give a nice flavor for any pakodas. Chopped green chili. In this, we're going to add the chickpea flour, what we lovingly use for all our pakodas. We're going to add some rice flour. This will give a nice crunchy effect. In this, add a little bit of chopped coriander. Add half a teaspoon of oil on this. In this, sprinkle some salt. Mix all of this. First, make it crumble like this. Just let it rest for few minutes. If you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of water, but usually we don't need. So make sure at the bottom also all the flour is absorbed by this mixture. Whenever you are frying, do not fry into big pieces. Just divide them into smaller portions and fry this jackfruit pakodi in this. They will taste excellent and you will just fall in love with them. Just drop them into medium size and you will have great pakodi ready in no time. In no time, you will have this perfectly done. If you fry it in a very low heat, it will absorb oil. And if you fry in the very hot oil, then also it's not good. So in the medium heat, you will start getting this golden color and fry till they are all fried perfect. Look at this beautiful pakoda. You got to fry them like this. A lot of people love to add a little bit of suji also. You can do that, but you have to make sure you fry them like this till they are nice and golden. These pakodas are magical. Wow. Isn't it very easy to make? And the jackfruit will make all the difference to make it very, very tasty. Don't get away yet. The next recipe is the jackfruit curry. You know, which is like mutton curry, which I'm going to show you. Excellent with a little bit of pepper and it will be super amazing. Now, look at them, nice and hot. I cut it into pieces, just like mutton pieces, and then we're going to use the seeds to make this curry. For making this curry, we're going to add some oil in a pan. We're going to add whole garam masala. Here, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and also some fennel seeds. When they slowly start, sizzling, get out its aroma into the oil, we're going to add finely chopped onion. Add some salt, mix this. When the onions are slightly colored, add some curry leaf, and in this we're going to add some round green chillies. These are nice and beautiful flavor also. In this add some ginger garlic paste, mix well, add a little bit turmeric, some coriander powder, tomatoes, also add some pepper. We're going to add a little bit later, and in this add some water. In this I'm going to add some meat masala. So the same mutton masala whatever I did, and that will give extra flavor. You just want to cook till these tomatoes are nice and soft. The gravy gets slightly thickened and the tomatoes nicely cooked. In this add the jackfruit pieces as well as the seeds. In this add some more pepper powder, and we're going to let this cook for another few minutes till these absorb all the juices and it gets ready. Keep cooking this till the kind of consistency you want. A lot of people prefer this to be slightly dried out. Whatever consistency you prefer, once you get that, just sprinkle chopped coriander and finish it off. Look at this jackfruit curry, and trust me, for the non-vegetarians, if they want to stop eating meat, this is a great way to start. It will give you the awesome feeling of that. Texture is also amazing. Look at this jackfruit biryani or pulao, whatever you call. This is just amazing and it tastes so good. We're also going to make some jackfruit pakoda, and this jackfruit pakoda is very, very, very awesome. These jackfruit again can be cut into small pieces. The way you cook mutton and everything, you can cook this. Today you've seen some amazing recipes, and among that this jackfruit biryani, and along with its seed, I just love it. But along with that we made this jackfruit curry, which is like and this jackfruit curry is, you can cook it and you can make it like a gravy or like a fry like mutton also, and this will be awesome. And guys, amazing. You got to make this along with that amazing pakoda, and when you eat this, you got to say, "Vare va."